Will TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu rejoin the NDA? Responding to questions on a possible alliance with the BJP, Mr. Naidu in Delhi said that nothing can be ruled out at the moment. He also slammed the Congress, saying the party had pushed the country into a crisis.
You've been with the NDA once before. Do you think you can do business with the NDA again?
Nation is in crisis. Reason is Congress party misrule, non-governance and corruption. So it is very clear. Country is suffering. Previously, I am the architect for economic reforms.
Right.
P.V. Narasimha Rao started economic reforms. Second generation economic reforms I initiated. All over the world, I promoted economic reforms. I promoted the country.
IT, yes.
Not only IT, country prestige I promoted. The strength of India I promoted. Compared to all politicians today, I contributed to the nation. Situation is today, total nation is in crisis. One is devaluation of rupee,
Exactly.
economic stagnation, and also there is no growth, no employment potential. Even farmers are in distress. Youth are totally frustrated due to the situation.
Right.
Now, it is our responsibility how to save this nation, how to bring out of this crisis.
So joining hands and with
No,
NDA
I'm
could
not
be
talking-
one. No. Could that be a possibility, or
No,
do you
I am-
completely rule that out?
No, I am not ruling anything, I am not talking anything now. Today my priority is my state. I am concentrating on that.
Okay.
But nation is in crisis,
Right.
state is in disasters. So I have to handle both.
Thank you very much, Chandrababu Naidu. Diplomatically answering, not ruling anything out, not ruling anything in. Back to you.